people who ain't gonna lie. Driver in your car, I never want to go home, 'cause I haven't got one anymore. Take me out tonight, 'cause I wanna see your people and I wanna see you alive. Driver in your car, oh please don't drop me home, 'cause it's not my home, it's their home. I'm not walking no more. If a double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavy way to die. If a ten-ton truck kills both of us, to die by your side, well, the pleasure privilege is mine. Take me out tonight, oh take me anywhere, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. In the dark behind the past, oh thought I got my chance, come last, but the strength of fear greet me and I just couldn't ask.